Loco, no pares, no ves que esto no vale. Si nos pillan, seguro que no llegamos al party. A mí me como ese culo, a mí yo soy el más chulo. A mí me miran seguro, género más que conjuro. Tengo un delirio bien grande, un delirio de grandeza. No mire mi pobreza, no soy de la realeza. Quiero un...
Dale.
Hello, my friends of YouTube. Today with my partner Antonio Jose, main character of the electricity world, we're gonna change the differential.
Yeah, bueno. Okay. So first of all, we have to make sure that we don't have tension. We're gonna turn off this thermic, so we only have tension under this thermic, and all the circuit will be clean. So we're gonna start from here. No tienes el flash puesto, eres un máquina.
Espera, lo puedo poner ahora, mira.
Ah, okay, nice. So lights out, and we're gonna start taking out this piece. This makes the bridge between all these thermics.
And what's the name of this piece?
Say the bridge or the com.
Okay.
We take out this. Gonna turn off this one just to make sure. Why are we changing this? Because this model have a spot when you can connect this piece, and the model I have right now don't have it. You're gonna see the other model have a slot here to connect this. Now we're gonna disconnect this side of the differential. So wires out, and here we're gonna take these wires out too.
What's the name of the wires? Blue and black?
Blue and black, yes.
What's the name? Fascian?
Phase and a mass.
Okay.
You can check out here this piece be all over. ¿Cómo se dice abajo?
Down. Abajo es down.
No, pero debajo de.
Down of.
No. Oh. Below. That's right.
First of all, I have to say that don't try this at home.
Well, this is to do it at home. Precisely. You can check this piece right here. If you with the screwdriver you slide it down, you can take out, well,
like a palanca.
Yeah, like a palanca. Yeah. You can take out the differential, the old one.
Show
and
us, please.
You can see this slot.
Yep.
On our model or new model, we don't have it, so we can't use the piece we have here. And we're gonna make the bridges with wire. Wire in this case, I'll show you. Wire black and blue. Or in that case, section of 10 millimeters.
Okay.
You can do it with 6 millimeters, and it will be great because this is 25 amperes. But I have 10, so I'm gonna do it with this. And is it just right now gonna put the new differential. You have it there. And now we're gonna put the punteras, porque no me acuerdo cómo se llama. Put it on the extreme of the wires.
Okay.
So it makes a better connection. And what more? We're gonna cut the wires
Mm-hmm.
to make all the bridges at exact measure.
How many parts?
Well, all of this, there's are 5 black and 5 blue of one.
Okay.
Where's
While my partner are cutting the wire, I show you her suitcase with all of the
tools?
tools. You can look. It's not from Temu.
It's not from Temu.
There are good. Okay, let's go with the tutorial.
Now we have the 10 wires, 5 blue, 5 and black, same size. So we're gonna put the punteras.
Yeah.
Busca cómo se llama punteras en inglés, porfa.
Yeah, please.
You can see all the gauge, all the measures.
Yep.
I'm using right now a section of 10
Cups.
So we're gonna put 10 millimeter caps. If you're going to use 6 millimeter, this one will be great.
Okay.
And if we are doing 2 wires, we are gonna use the double 10 millimeters cap.
Okay.
How we do it? Easy. First of all, we take out the protection. Something like that. And we're gonna, we'll polish this. Something like that, and we're gonna pick up this, put it inside, put the wires inside. We don't have to twist it, just put it inside. It has to be equal.
That's important thing.
Okay. You see, it's entered, and now with the crank part, we have it here. We can press it. Oh no, this is small. Give me a second. This one isn't it? This one is.
Okay.
You can press this. And now you have the bridge is made. We have to make this 5 times, and on the last sides, this is the one of the sides. So here, gonna take out this. And put not a double, just a single one of its size. Crimp it.
Let me see, please.
And now we have
Okay.
one side, and we're gonna do this 5 more times. No, I'm wrong. 4 more times, and do this on the other side. The same with the blue wires.
Okay.
Pues ya puedes cortar. You can use to strip the wires. You can use this, a wire stripper. So comfortable. Easy job. Ya está.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the caps here. Don't trolling. Okay. Okay. Let's go. And the same with the blue one. No problem. Yep, like this. not like this.
Come on, you can.
We can.
Make sure all the cover is inside.
Yep. It's so important.
And don't grim the plastic. You have to grim the metal.
Like this.
Yeah, pretty well.
Perfect. And perfect.
Okay, now we have the bridge prepared, the blue and the black,
Let me see.
and we will connect this below all the thermics.
Okay.
These two wires too. They then goes on this one. And oh no, this goes well. Don't really care because it's all the same line. But we'll try to connect it here. And well, see you later. Vemos nosotros.
First of all, you have to open.
Coño.
First wire gonna be the black, maybe.
No, the blue.
The blue. Okay.
Nothing. Connect.
Okay.
Okay, and always connecting as strong as we can without breaking the mechanism.
Okay.
And keep doing.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, good.
You can.
Domina mucho. No me acuerdo de la cámara.
In English, please.
Esto no hace falta que lo grabes. Lávalo en el. Esto córtalo. Lávalo en el negro.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Quiero un cigarro.
Okay.
Una cigarreta.
This with all of them.
No, break, no.
So now that we have all connected, like this, the black one, the blue one, and Tony just connected at the back, these two.
Yeah, we have these two wires that went a part of the piece that we taken out before. So these wires we connected here on the side of the wire we put. It's a bit adjusted, so you can, if you can't put these wires in this case, you can put it without the top toe. ¿Cómo se llama la puntera?
Cap.
Cap, without the cap, so you have more space. But well, it's the same shit.
Yeah. And all of this is because
Of this, what? It's because what? I see. Look, you see this metal right there? I didn't connect it well. This can't be like that. So we're gonna disconnect for a moment
and do the same one.
to put it more inside, so you can't see the metal.
You don't have to see the metal.
No, you have to only see the brown plastic. Okay.
Showing the Rolex.
Flexing the Rolex. nice. And you can see right now.
It's perfect.
It's almost perfect. Not perfect, but I don't have much more march. So now we can check. Can do this, and now we have like.
Oh my god! So now that we changed the differential, if you push the button,
You have to check the differential is working pushing this button with current. Without current, it will not work because this tests the differential between the wires. So if you press the button and this goes down, it means that the differential is working well. In this case,
okay. So
it's working so well.
Do it again, please.
Again,
Yeah.
you can see.
Okay.
Like so.
So if you down this and you push this, don't do nothing.
There's no current, so you can test nothing because this button simulates the difference of amperes between these two wires. So you need current to do the test.
And why this is so important?
Well, because this protects the people of the house to not being electrocuted. So what that means, this tests the differential of amperage, because if someone electrocutes, that means that the current of the circuit is going out the circuit, and it's generating a differential of potential, and this detected and turns off. You can see.
Okay. Thank you so much, Antonio Jose.
Tutorial is finished.
Tutorial finished. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Enjoy my channel. Subscribe and don't forget to like. If you have some question, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much, people. And bye bye.
300 en esta tarjeta, la línea completa de meta. Enroló un billete 50, pedidos me llegan en cresta. Los deberes me llaman, estoy free. Mucho que hacer en byebye. Mira y aprende a fumar hachi. Te ves inquieto, lo siento manín. El BTS conduciendo brusco. No veo las señales pero las deduzco.
Lo siento, bien poco. Defiendo lo mío y del otro. Las caras borrosas importan. Grabando mi lema, mi lengua. Recuerda que juras en vano. Aleja tu vida lo malo. La poli conduce muy lento. Yo sigo el camino bien recto. La droga lo escondo, lo siento. Que jodan a ti y al gobierno. Mamá, lo que digo no es cierto. No vendo ni fumo, soy leño. Las cosas que sueño queriendo. La vida es difícil, full crisis. Lo dice el nini de turno.